So let's see the JavaScript ecosystem. Chances are, if you're taking this course, is that you have here any of these terms that we have in the screen. TypeScript, Vue.js, Angular, Node.js, ECMAScript 6, ECMAScript 7, ECMAScript 8. Chances are that you have already written more jQuery code than JavaScript code. And there is no problem with something like that. But maybe you have here, at least once, any of these terms. So first, let's see what is ECMAScript. It was created to standardize JavaScript. Browsers use ECMAScript to interpret JavaScript code. ECMAScript provides the rules, the details, and the guidelines that a scripting language must contain to be considered part of ECMAScript. So let's continue. Let's see, for example, the ECMAScript versions. In 2011, ECMAScript 5.1 was released. This is the actual version. It's fully supported by the browsers, but it's a little outdated. Then we have ECMAScript 2015, which is referred also as ECMAScript 6 or ES6. This is the newest standard, partial support by the browsers, new functions were added, while others become deprecated. Some functions must be transpiled with tools like Babel in order to work with all the browsers. So this is going to be like compiling to an older version of JavaScript. So there is also ECMAScript 2016, which is ECMAScript 7. It added only a few functions. Then we have ECMAScript 2017, which is ECMAScript 8. And it added also new functions. The most important is async await, which you are going to learn in this course also. And there is also another version that is called ES Next. And this is the development version. And most of the functions are proposals. Something important about ES Next is that this version is never released because it always refers to the development version. So in this course, you are going to learn ECMAScript 6, ECMAScript 7, and ECMAScript 8. Together, these are modern JavaScript. So JavaScript is a scripting language that follows the ECMAScript specification. JavaScript is the language where we develop and program, while ECMAScript is the guidelines and the specifications that JavaScript must follow. And chances are that you are taking this course, this JavaScript course, because you want to learn a JavaScript framework. Some frameworks like Angular, React, or Vue.js, among others, are front-end frameworks designed to be used with web applications or highly interactive websites to simplify common tasks and improve the performance. Chances are that you also are looking to learn Node.js. And Node.js is a platform that is built on JavaScript. It's used to run advanced operations and applications on servers, such as querying a database, authenticate users, and others. And finally, NPM is a JavaScript package manager with a lot of open source projects and libraries, and NPM is part of Node.js.